Welcome back, guys. So today, there's nothing on my table again. And I haven't seen the blank box in a while. The blank bag box. So I don't know where all the blank bags are. And what the heck? They're flying again. I guess they're flying again. Okay, they're flying faster than I can catch them. Oh my god, we got a dragon's one. The fifth one. I catched. Okay, I didn't catch. There were 5 blank bags or blank things flying at me. Again? Really again? That's kind of lame. I guess the camera guy is out of ideas. So they were flying again. Let's open them. So the last one I actually catched is one of the Pedasaurus figurines, which I opened one before, and I thought they're really cool, so I got one more, or a few more. We got a dragon's lollipop with a dragon's magnet inside, so that's pretty cool. And we got one of the Furby Mashems. Yeah, actually it's a Mashem. And we got one of the Angry Birds Star Wars figurines. And last but not least, a Star Wars Clone Wars multivitamin drink with a little blind egg, or surprise egg inside. So let's start with the Pedasaurus. He has a gear tap. So let's open him and see which one we got. Oh no, this one again. We already got this one. Why did we get you again? That's not nice of you. So we got Hector again. Oh, actually, I just saw we haven't got a Hector yet. Because the one we got is 70% dinosaur and 30% whale. And actually this one, so Hector, is 70% dinosaur and 30% hammer shark. So we haven't got him yet. He's cool. So let's just assemble him. He got his little shield. And he got his weapon, which should go in this hand. And he got his helmet, which should go on like that. Oh yeah, now he's looking like a hammer shark. Is that the English word, hammer shark? In German it's Hammerhai. So let's say it's hammer shark. He's cool. They kind of remind me of my childhood series I watched, which was called Extreme Dinosaurs. Or Extreme Street Sharks and Extreme Dinosaurs. So they're kind of a combination of these two. So the next one, let's open the little Angry Birds Star Wars figurine. A lot of paper inside. And we got a little X-Wing pilot. So we got his little X-Wing pilot. He's cute. I kind of love the Angry Birds stuff. And they're really cute. These are really cute. And I believe these are for the little board games you can buy. But I believe there's a trading card, or at least a flyer. So, and there are a lot of figurines to collect, and we actually got Wedge Antilles, one of the X-Wing pilots, or Y-Wing pilots, I don't know. But he's cool, and we got our first Angry Birds Star Wars figurine. So, let's go on with the Dragon's Lollipop. I recently saw that movie. I never watched that movie before, until like a few months before. A few months ago. And I kind of fell in love with Toothless. But because he's just too adorable. So I'm really looking forward to see which magnet we got. Because it's going onto my refrigerator. So there's paper inside. And there's a little lollipop. Want a lollipop? Lollipop, lollipop. And then there should be a magnet. Let's see which one. Come on out. Okay, it's a really huge one. And we got Higgs. Is he Higgs? Is he called Higgs in English? So these are little cutout magnets. And they're pretty cheap. This is just a little bit of printed paper on magnet foil. But he's kind of cool. Kind of looks like he got a lightsaber. What the heck? Higgs got a lightsaber? When did that happen? Okay, I believe it's a hot one. A dragon with dragon fire or something like that. He's kind of cool. I would loved Toothless more, but he's cool. So our next one, let's open the multivitamin Star Wars drink. The drink isn't that good. It kind of tastes funny. So I just bought this for the figurine or keychain or whatever is inside. So let's have a look. Which cool Star Wars character we got. And we got a little chopper magnet, which is cool. Cute little magnet. We got a little Ezra. Guys, can you see that? Ezra button. Really tiny Ezra button. We also got a little 2D figurine. It's not 3D, it's a 2D because it's a flat figurine of Chopper. The little R5 droid from the Rebels series. And the last but not least blind bag or blind thingy to open is the Furby Mashems. The first one I got from these. And hopefully not the last one. So please be squishy. I love the squishiness of them. Because they're just too squishy and it won't open. I'm kinda... yeah. It's kinda hard to use the scissors with my thingy on. But I hurt myself with too much painting and stuff. And we got a little orange one. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Look at him. And he got his little ears, and he got his little tail, and the structure is great, and the paint job, and the details. Oh my god, I really love these Mashems and Fashems. And he's so squishy. I believe he's the squishiest one we ever got. Oh my god. The Angry Birds one was squishy. But this one is squishy a lot. He's so cute, and he got his little ears. I love the ears. They're so cute. Yay! So guys, 5 blind bags were flying again. And I really liked all the blind bags. But I have to say my least favorite is the Higgs magnet. I really would love one of the Toothless magnets. So I'm really a bit disappointed by it. And the favorite from this opening actually could be the Predasaurus if we didn't get this cute pile of squishiness over here. Because, let's face it, it's so cute. It's a Furby. I had a Furby as a child. Not one of these Furbies. The first generation Furbies. And I got a lot of the English talking ones, even when we were in Germany, from a friend. I got a lot of little R2D2 I got the Yoda Furby, and I got the Gizmo Furby, and I got the Statue of Liberty Furby. I got a lot of Furbies. So I really like them, and look at him, he's so squishy. And I'm gonna play with my a lot of squishiness here. And see you guys next time.